به آياته فهو الكريم المنزل.
Are difficult. Cleaning the toilets, cleaning the masjid could be a key to Jannah. But how many people are proud to clean the toilets? Some people in the masjid, I'm not cleaning the masjid. Who am I? If somebody asked you now and said, Ya akhi, or sister, can you clean the sister's toilets? Or brother, can you clean the brother's toilets? What would we say? I'm not cleaning no toilets. Who do you think I am? Look at the woman at the time of the Prophet ﷺ that used to clean the masjid. Prophet ﷺ, when she passed away, the Prophet ﷺ asked, where is she? And he went and he prayed for her. Because he didn't know, out of his love for her. Why? Because she cleaned the masjid. Because why? Sincerity, it may make a small action great with Allah Azza wa Jalla. But at the same time, if you lack sincerity, it may make something that appears to be great, it makes it worthless if a person lacks sincerity. So if you look at that, cleaning the masjid. All of us have a role. Don't think that, it may be a few people at the beginning, but those people, if they have ikhlas, sincerity to Allah Azza wa Jalla, they have the correct belief, and they have righteous deeds, and they strive, you see the barakah in their da'wah. It always starts like that. That was the way it started with the Prophet ﷺ and the companions. That is the way it starts. As for everyone sitting back, for everybody else to do it, that's not going, for large numbers immediately. Allah knows best. You're waiting for something that's not going to happen. We have to be the means for change by the will of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala.